In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on ChatGPT. First, open your web browser and head to chatgpt.com. This takes you straight to ChatGPT on the web. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings and plan options. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. Depending on the layout you're seeing, it may appear in the bottom left corner of the screen or up in the top right. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage your account preferences and billing. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Plan or Upgrade Plan. Click Upgrade Plan to begin the upgrade process. You'll now see the available options. Choose the plan that fits your needs. Most people will see Plus, which unlocks enhanced features for individual use. In some regions or accounts, you might also see Pro or Team, which are designed for heavier use or collaboration. Availability and names can vary, so select the option that matches what you want. After making your choice, click the button that confirms it, such as Get Plus or Upgrade. Then, when prompted, click Continue to move to payment. On the payment screen, add your card or select a supported payment method. Enter your billing details carefully and make sure your name and address match what your card issuer has on file. If you see currency or billing period information, review it so you know exactly what you'll be charged and how often. Before finalizing, take a quick moment to review the summary. When everything looks correct, click Subscribe to confirm. The payment will process securely and you'll receive on-screen confirmation right away. That's it! Your upgraded plan activates immediately. You can return to your chats and start using the new features without waiting. If your interface shows a plan badge or an updated plan label in settings, that's a quick visual cue that the upgrade is active. If you selected a team or pro option where available, your workspace or team settings will reflect the change as soon as activation completes. To recap, you go to chatgpt.com, sign in, open your profile menu, head into settings, select upgrade plan, choose plus or another available option. Click Get Plus or Upgrade, continue to payment, add your method, and click Subscribe. With that done, you're all set and your plan is live immediately.